Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Seeing code 12 appear on a Rheem tankless water heater can feel confusing, especially when hot water suddenly stops working the way you expect. Sometimes the system may try to run for a moment and then stop, while in other situations, the code stays on the screen without much explanation. This type of issue is often related to ignition or gas flow, but small things like airflow interruptions, supply settings, or temporary system behavior can also play a part. Before assuming something major is happening, there are few simple things worth checking that may help the unit begin working normally again. Let's go through several easy steps that may help fix Rheem tankless water heater code 12. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the Rheem tankless water heater for a few minutes before starting a quick system refresh. Step 2. Check the gas supply connected to the Rheem tankless water heater and confirm it is fully available. Step 3. Inspect the vent area around the Rheem tankless water heater and make sure airflow moves freely. Step 4. Review the display panel on the Rheem tankless water heater and confirm the code still appears. Step 5. Restart the Rheem tankless water heater after checking connections and settings. Step 6. Run hot water and watch the Rheem tankless water heater to see if code 12 disappears normally.